Hi guys, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your lock if you have, like in my LR, had a problem with the lock. It's already worn a little bit, so I had to replace the key itself with a new blade, and I will need to see what's happening with the lock itself. So to check the lock, I will need to insert it underneath here to the cup, to get to the cup here, and you see the lock itself. Then there is a little cover on the side there. Okay, so you remove the rubber cover here, and there is, as you can see, a little screw, so you get a set of keys like this. That's what I have here. Hard to tell which one it is, probably Torque 28 or similar, and just insert it there. And unscrew. Then that will be very easy to remove it. Try not to lose the screw itself. So apparently you just lose it up a little bit. Don't try to pull it out. While it still stays inside, try to move it out just like this. Okay, so it's pretty easy. So you don't have to remove the screw itself. This is Torque 220, so for your reference. Now I got the lock outside. To fix it, I will need to disassemble it, and to start I will need to remove this bits in here by using just a screw and trying to get them out. That shouldn't be too hard. Another one on another side. Okay, yeah, so actually going pretty easily, right, just like this. Next, remove this ring over here just the same way. So just position your screwdriver like this and move it out. Now as the ring removed, you could remove that thing. That's what you got. And now the other piece goes like this. So I just try to put things as they were. They used to be like that. Okay. And now I can hopefully remove the lock. Okay, yeah, so you just get this little bit from out here. Okay, and then the lock will go out easily. Now you could remove the lock from here. Just push it out like this. And be careful not to lose any of those. These are the problem. Probably they worn off, and I just need to find out which one has gone wrong. I'll replace it or just remove it and see if it helps. Now I removed all those bits and put them in the order as they were. Just make sure they are. And now I will put back the key inside the hole here, and I'll try to put them back and see how it goes. So what I found when I removed the key from the lock, all of those, they have springs in here, so they technically supposed to be, if everything's alright, they're gonna go out. But this one wasn't going out, and I understand that for some reason, probably well, opening it with a key, it actually had changed its shape, was a little bit rounded here, so I had to use pliers and just put them back to its normal shape. I guess this was, and the key actually is going inside, no problem, I can use them. So I think this was the problem. Now I'm pretty sure that if I will just remove it, the lock will still work, so I can just leave it as is. But I will try to put it in this bit, and if it start working, then fine. Otherwise I will just remove it and put it back to the car and start, and you know, it should work. Yes, so key goes inside now fine, and I'm pretty sure that it works. Yep, I've actually fixed it by just using a set of pliers, and it wasn't a big job. The only one thing I should mention that you're supposed to lubricate it with very well, and it's supposed to be some sort of a specific jelly type lubricant. I don't have it, so I'll just use the oil. If it will stop working, I will get the proper one, but for now I'm done. All works fine, thanks. When assembling, there will be a couple of places that's quite hard to put back. So one place is this one. Now there's a spring over here. The spring will be on a way of the pin here, that one. So to put this pin back, first grab a little the screwdriver, move it up here, and put just move it underneath the spring, and just fix it like this underneath the spring. So spring will go a little bit wider, so you will have space to actually put the pin back. So it was took me a little while to realize that. And the second thing, how to put the spring back, that one, the round ring. So just pretty much the same thing. You just go put it like this and use the hole here, and try to set it with your yeah, so you put it this way, so you still have a hole here, but you have the cycle over here, so you just pull your screwdriver into this hole and sort of stretch it, then you will be able to pull it back. Okay, all assembled, everything is back. Now just put it back into the car. Okay, so what goes this way? Oh, that way, okay. Push it in. Okay, and just screw it back.